For this debacle, it is made by the pressing machine with the iron materials. We have different size for you choose. For this smaller one is 5.8 grams per piece, and this bigger one is 10.7 grams per piece. Okay, and second, let's see the surface. You can see the surface is very smooth. There is no any bubble or burst. It's very smooth. And the color is the gold color. We also can customize for you according to your need the colors and the weight. For the package, we normally package like this bag. The first, we will use the paper to package it. For this smaller one, we package 40 pieces per one roll. This is one roll, and about 10 rolls per one bag. That means about 400 pieces for one bag in total. And for this bigger one, we package 30 pieces per one roll. This is one roll, and about 7 rolls per one bag. So that means there are 200 pieces for this bag. Also, we can customize the package according to your need. Thank you.